Hey boo! Hey guys, it's Not a Mercenary, and today I am doing a Hawaiian hibiscus flower inspired eye look, and if you're interested in this, keep on watching. Now this is based on a yellow and pink hibiscus. There's a whole bunch of different color combinations of the flower, but today we're going to be doing a bold pink and yellow cut crease. So I've already done my eyebrows and put some concealer and setting powder on my eyes, and now I am going to take this lovely and professional state-of-the-art Wet n Wild blending brush and go into this Jaclyn Hill palette and get this shade. Just a little bit, you don't want too much. We're going to be using this as our transition shade. Hold on, I lied, I don't want to do that. I just found a better color. We're going to go into the Oakland 8 color matte palette from shophush.com. Looks like this. It's a dupe for one of the Lime Crime Venus something, you know. And we're going to dip into the shade called Rebirth, and we're going to use that as our transition. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this fluffy brush that I got off of Wish. It doesn't have a brand to it or anything. It's just sort of like a angled upward fluffy brush. We are going to go... Oh my god. I need to stop dropping palettes, y'all. We're going to go into our Aphrodite palette from shophush.com. You already know. We're going to go into this color Flirt. This is a dupe from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, I believe. I don't know, like I don't have it. And we're going to do the same thing, but I got a little more product because these are very pigmented. And I'm going to go lightly at first. And then I'm just going to take this e.l.f. crease brush, go into that Flirt color again, and sort of hover above my crease. I feel like this channel is all about how to fake a glam look without having the products, you know what I mean? Like every single product I'm going to have is going to be a dupe. And I don't know if I'm ever actually going to like buy a $50 to $70 palette because I don't know if I got the money for that, y'all. I have this one, which is name brand, but it's, my grandma bought me that. I'm always trying to save $1. For example, I was at the store yesterday getting some macaroni, right? We were just getting some groceries. My friend was there, and I was about to get like the Kroger brand macaroni, okay? Like I'm trying to save $1. I'm trying to finesse Kroger, okay? Like, and my friend was telling me like, no girl, don't get that macaroni. It's gonna taste busted. Just spend $1 more and get the name brand macaroni. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that. I think it's an issue. But I mean, it's better for you guys because if you watch my stuff and you like how my looks turn out and you see all of the cheap products that I'm using, then you can go get them and save some money for yourself too. So some of the things on my channel don't always work out, but I would say most of them do. Then I'm just going to take this brush that has nothing on it. This is the AOA Studio E103 brush. This is from shopmissa.com, and every single one of their things is $1. And then I'm going to go into the color Lust from the Aphrodite palette and do the exact same thing as before. Cannot wait until Valentine's comes around and we can do all these beautiful pinky and red looks. Oh my gosh, that'll be legit. And then I'm going to go in again with that e.l.f. blending brush and go into that shade Rebirth and put it in like this, and then sort of lightly stipple over that area that we just did. It's because I want it to be a little more orange. And then I'm going to go into my Jaclyn Hill palette and grab a little bit of this yellow on that same brush. Maybe wipe it off a little bit. I wipe it off on my shirt. And then just to bring more pinky tones in, I'm going to go into this color called Muse from the Oakland matte eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with a very light hand because I'm probably using the wrong brush. This might be a little too fat. Then I'm going to take that blending brush that we were using before and blend it out. And then I'm going to take my finger and go into that yellow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and lightly pat that on above the pink. Then I'm going to take that Wet n Wild blending brush and sort of try to blend them together. We're looking a little rough, but it's okay. It's all gonna come together, like I always say. And I'm going to take this, they call it like a flat eyeshadow brush, but it just looks like that. It's really flat and really small, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. Usually I would use something like this, but I have not been liking that lately, so I'm just going to take this AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in the color light yellow. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, and then I'm going to cut my crease. Just get a little bit like this. And then I feel like we lost a little bit of color over here. So I'm going to go back into the Aphrodite palette and get that color Flirt on this like angled brush. And then I'm going to go in with the color Lust from the Aphrodite palette and do the same exact thing. Oops. Oh no, here are two different angles. That's cute. I'm going to take my beauty blender and some setting powder. This is the Busted Little AOA Studio Perfect setting powder, which I don't really recommend, but I'm not bothered. I'm going to take whatever is remaining on that brush and sort of do the same thing to this eye. Okay, and now I am going to take this AOA Studio E113 brush and I am going to dip into this yellow shade. I forget the simplest things, you know, like I forgot that this was the color yellow, you know? Can we just be honest though and talk about how patchy these look? And I did this look once before, but I deleted all of the footage because I had to make room for another video that I was shooting. And my friend told me, well, Nada, why didn't you just save the videos to your email and then open them back up when you needed them? And I was like, you know what? I'm a dumbass. I could have done that, but I didn't. And I'm mad. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of this color called Powder Room from the After Hours palette. This was also from shophush.com and it's a dupe for some Huda Beauty palette. And then I'm just going to take that brush that we were using and sort of diffuse it by just patting it. You don't want to rub, you just want to pat right now. And then I'm just going to take some of this setting powder, get it on my finger, and put that towards the inner corner as well. Okay, and now I am going to take Flirt from the Aphrodite palette on my ring finger and put that towards the outer V and sort of work it inwards. Man, I'm trying to think of like interesting things to say and like share about, but honestly, I'm drawing a blank and I feel really dumb. So, how are you guys doing today? What's up? Also, don't be afraid to comment down below what you guys are thinking, feeling, seeing, eating, drinking. I don't care. Like, share with me, you know? Also ordered a new wig in the mail. Here it is over here. I'm really excited. I'm going to wear it on this channel because I wanted to spice things up a little bit, you know? I feel like the pink is getting kind of boring. I feel like my eyebrows look a little bit short compared to my eye look. So I am just going to take this AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in the color Caramel, I think. Yeah, Caramel. I'm just going to lengthen my brow. Ew. Okay, ignore that eyebrow, please. The eyes are done. I'm going to go in with this AOA Studio Wonder liquid eyeliner. And I'm not going to do a winged eye, but I'm just going to put a line there so that my lashes have something to stick to. Man, I want to see a movie. I haven't seen a movie in so long. Probably like a couple months. I want to see, what's the one with the baby who catches on fire? Incredibles. Oh my gosh, yes. I want to see that so bad. It looks so cute. So now I'm going to do mascara on the top. And this is the Amuse Pro Big Mega Lash, which if it's from Amuse Cosmetics, if it's from AOA Studios, it's from Shop Miss A, and everything on Shop Miss A is $1. Okay, and now I'm just going to do some of that color called Flirt on my bottom lash line. But first I'm going to go in with this angled. Then I'm going to take my finger and dip into that yellow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Forgot to add some shimmer. If you're watching this tutorial and you're thinking about doing this, don't put on your liquid eyeliner yet, because I'm going to go in with Tease on this AOA Studio E2. I feel like whenever I'm like reading off the names of these brush, I feel like I could be reading off like a Morphe brush, you know? Some people are sponsored by Morphe. Can you believe that? I freaking love them. Like, all of their stuff looks so cute. Like, I wonder what it's like to be sponsored by Morphe. Morphe. Okay, and so the only affordable foundation I have right now is this Sante Flawless Perfect Finish Foundation. And I'm just going to put this on all over my face, and I'll see you guys in a second. And then I just used some of that AOA Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in the color Light Yellow. I set my face with this Airspun powder. And now I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild color Icon. Oh my gosh, you know what I forgot? I forgot mascara on the bottom of my eyelashes. I'm just going to go in with this Mega Volume Wet n Wild mascara. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the color Nudist Peach. The lips are on, and I'm going to go into this Wonder Baked Highlighter by AOA Studio. I'm going to take this AOA Studio brush F19. Okay, and now for my absolute favorite part, I'm going to go in with these Amelia lashes by AOA Studio, which were also on shopmissa.com. And I'm going to put these on real quick, and I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, comment down below if you have any tips or tricks for me, or even if you want to see something new on this channel. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more content just like this. So let me know what you guys want to see, let me know how you're feeling, and I'll see you in the next video.